Hope everyone's had a great day so far. So tonight's video I'm going to be talking all about the power of tonality and how to prospect effectively using the power of tonality. So before I make a start, I'm just going to make sure I can see some live viewers get on. And if you're watching the rerun, obviously once this goes live onto my Facebook wall, do let me know where you're watching from. I do have an international audience. I tend to have more than ever now in various different countries. So please do write in the comment box below where you're watching from, as I do go back in after the video and I do take the time to reply to every single person. So the more I can see you interacting with the video as I go along, the more then it kind of encourages me to do more of these videos. I don't expect anything in return. I'm not here to pitch or sell anything. I'm literally just here to give some value because I'm a massive fan of personal development. I learn something new every single day, a minimum of 30 minutes. Every time I do, I take notes, and then it inspires me and motivates me to come on and do these types of videos to help other people that have a business mindset and those that want to have success online. So I do have coaches and consultants that watch me, people that have a sales job, also have network marketers, affiliate marketers. So I feel like if people like myself, and I encourage you to do the same, if you feel like you've got something that you feel that would help people, then getting on these Facebook Lives and sharing your knowledge that you have got from somewhere else, then it's literally sharing is caring in my eyes. So feel free to tag anybody, feel free to share this video afterwards. I do appreciate it. So if you just jumped on, I'm going to be talking all about the power of powerful prospecting using the power of tenacity. Just bear with me, I'm just going to have a mouthful of my tea. So if you're thinking, what does she mean by tonality? Tonality is the tone of your voice and how you deliver it. And I'm going to give you a couple of examples of the different types of the power of tonality. And I want you to think about an example when I talk about the two examples. I want you to think about the last time that you had this experience yourself and just briefly think about how it made you feel. And then we're going to tie it back into whether you are a network marketer, whether you are an affiliate marketer, and how you need to be addressing yourself to others to be able to prospect effectively. So the first example I'm going to give is, imagine you go and see your hairdresser, or a guy, it might be a barber. Normally they are very bubbly, they're very approachable, very much chitter chatter. Yes, they're going to give you a consultation to find out what it is that you want to achieve regarding colour or a cut, but then the whole time while they are giving you the service of your hair, they're going to be asking things like, you got any holidays booked? What do you do at the weekend? It's general chit chat, but they're very kind of like high energy, very approachable, because they are relying on you, one, recommending to other people to build up their business, and two, they're relying on you going back for your next appointment rather than going to a different hairdresser's. So their power of their tonality is they are giving you a very warm, a very endearing experience, so that not only are you happy with the end result of what you look like, but you're also going to walk out of that salon thinking, I really enjoyed her company. So it's how you're making somebody feel with the whole experience. Now I want to keep this short, so now I want you to think about the next type of person. You walk into the doctor's surgery. Straight away, they command a level of authority in the tonality of their voice. When I walk in to see my doctor, it's, take a seat, how can I help you? No chit chat, no have you got any holidays booked, Sarah? No what did you do at the weekend? Reason being is that compared to a hairdresser that has a long slot booked out for you, a doctor has 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes if you're lucky. They are there to diagnose you, to be able to offer a solution in a short space of time, because one, they're looking to make money out of that short period of time, but also they have trained for years and years and years to be very knowledgeable for them to be able to be experienced enough to be able to provide a solution for you. Just like a hairdresser has, but it's a very different experience. So the level of respect that a doctor has when you first walk in, straight away, you kind of think, ooh, and you know that you've got to kind of like just give the answers that he's looking for. Yet really thinking about the hairdresser and the doctor, both of them are strangers really, but yet you will openly, and people openly, tell a hairdresser lots and lots of gossip and personal things. And yet you feel open enough to tell your doctor very personal things about your body, maybe how you're feeling, how you're looking, because you want them to help you by offering to provide a solution. They will ask you qualifying questions. They will then maybe do a consultation. They might need to do some form of an examination, but then they're going to either prescribe you with something or they're going to refer you to somebody else that can maybe do what they can't do that day. But you're going to walk out of that doctor's surgery, or you should, with a positive experience. So then you know that you can go back next time if you need the help again. But they are providing a solution, and normally a paid one, so then you have to go out and spend money for you to get better. Now, thinking about the hairdresser and their bubbly personality, this links to network marketing. Think about network marketing when people are prospecting in network marketing. Some of them chitter chatter so much about general life, friends, family, holidays, that they then almost find it very difficult to transition from general chit chat into how am I now going to bring up my business. Now, my top tip to you to cut the time down that you're spending on Facebook and the time down that you're spending in Messenger prospecting is you only want to find one form of common ground first. Don't go straight in for business because people are going to put the guard up. For people to put their guard down, they need to feel like they have some kind of, they need to find you relatable in some kind of, whether it's friends, family. So if you need to look on their profile and think, have they got children? Have I? Where do they live? Do I know someone that lives there? Would I like to go on holiday there? What have their last few posts been? Have they been on holiday? Have they done something at the weekend? Did they have a nice outfit on? You know, find some form of common ground that straight away, when you're reaching out to them, you have that bubbly personality, that approachable personality, but you still need to have a level of power, of tonality, so they see you as somebody professional, rather than just somebody that they're just going to chitter chatter to all night. It has to be a level of respect that you command. So for you to do this, I want you to think about who do you want to become in 12 months' time. If you are quite shy at the moment, then I want you to think about who do you want to become in 12 months' time, and who do you wish that you could not only just become in business, but if you could go like that, and in 12 months' time, where would you be? You have to portray you as that person now by almost faking your confidence and not faking your lifestyle, not faking your income. I hate all of that. But you have to step up into your lady boss persona for a woman. I don't know what you call the guy equivalent, man boss? I don't know. But think about an example would be Beyonce. In real life, she's completely different. She gets on stage, she steps into Sasha Fierce is her persona. Now you need to step up into your persona. Every time you type out in Messenger, you need to be having who you want to become. Every time you leave a voice note in Messenger, what's your voice saying? What energy are they feeling? What level of respect are they feeling? And then if you get people onto a call, what kind of tone are you using that they're going to listen and take like first impression straight away is how you have your tone. If you watch previous Facebook Lives of mine from when I first started in May 2017, I'm talking like that. It's like, hi, I'm Sarah Louise. I was literally petrified. I had hardly any moisture in my throat. And I talked so high because I was petrified. But the more confident I've become, I can tell the difference in the tone of my voice. So now going back to the difference between a network marketer with a hairdresser, now I want you to think about the level of respect a doctor commands when you walk in, and this is how I visualize high ticket affiliate marketing to be, or coaching. That's going to be a high ticket product, meaning people are spending more than $1,000 or more to join a business. Now, if you have the power of tonality in your voice, people are going to command respect like that, literally straight away. But it doesn't mean you have to be really, you still have to be approachable, you have to be warm, but people need to feel like you are knowledgeable, that you are trustworthy, that you're actually going to help them get to where they want to be. And thinking about high ticket affiliate marketing and a coach, the end result is for somebody to completely change their life. Now, it might be changing their career, it might be changing their income, it might be changing their lifestyle, it might be changing their freedom, or it might be a selection of all of these. But when they're talking to you, you have to command a level of respect where they feel like you really have taken the time to understand them. And just like a doctor, you need to be asking them qualifying questions to get them to open up. And they will feel like they can open up if they feel like they trust you and they feel like you're actually understanding them. Now, you don't need to read off a script and sound robotic, because depending on what their answer is, depends on what your next question is. But your conversation is far better off going deep than it is wide. So move away from the general chit-chat. Once you've found common ground in something as your opening conversation, then you want to get into business, because you want to have what we call a one-call close in affiliate marketing, where if you speak to somebody in a short space of time, you want to get them away from the distractions of Facebook and you want to get them onto a call. Reason being, either a call or a video call. Some people prefer to see them, some people prefer to just listen to them, but they need to hear your voice, because then you can command that authority, but they will feel like they have a bond with you because they can hear your voice. You cannot be doing this all day and expect people to just send you $1,000 plus for you just chit-chatting in Messenger. It does happen. I have closed in Messenger myself, but it's far more effective on the telephone, because people genuinely feel then like they've got a bond with you. And in affiliate marketing, compared to network marketing, it's all about personal development. It's all about personal growth. It's all about people needing to invest into their mindset to improve in their skill set. And that the more that they learn, the more that they will earn. And you need to be getting that across when you speak to somebody, so that by the end of the call, which might only be a 15-minute call, they're going to get off that call and think, she really took the time to listen to me. And at the end of the call, she provided me a solution. Now it's down to me whether I take that solution and I now go and change my life, or whether I take that solution and I need to think about it, or I'll take that solution and I just go and find someone else and get on another call or ask for more info on somebody else's post. But the person who they've spoken to did their job. It's now down to whether this person wants to take action. But the more you do this, the more confident you will become. Don't get into prospecting mode where you're thinking about people as money. No, no, no. You need to be thinking about, when you go to bed on a night, I want you to lay in bed and think, I've done really good today. I've actually made an impact. I've made a difference. Whether it's your Facebook post, whether it's you commenting in Facebook groups, whether it's you interacting on people's posts, whether it's the messages you send in Messenger, whether it's the communication in your follow-up. But the more you have an impact in people's lives in a positive way, and you're making it all about them, they're going to want to come back to you, not only in business, but they're going to want to join you. Then they're going to recommend you to other people. Then if you decide to do more than one business, chances are they're going to want to do another business opportunity with you, because it's you that they're buying into. People buy into people, and then they'll join whatever it is that that person's doing because they want to work with that person. So the last little bit I just want to say to finish off is, are you being the chitter-chatter person with small talk, or are you clearly being a person that's actually clearly showing what you can do to reassure somebody that you actually know what you're talking about, you're confident in what you do, you believe in what you're actually promoting, and that you can show how to provide a solution at the end of it, and that whether you're making money or not, Everybody starts out and has 0 results, but it's not stopping you still from getting somebody from A to B, because all you're doing is leveraging a proven system. You need to take one person from there to there and you've made a sale, which means you've made a commission. But unless you're willing to take people from there to there, you're never going to earn any money. But the only way that will happen is by asking questions. To take these tips on board, think about the level of your tone and how you are delivering it. And you don't want to be like, hey, Sarah here, and all little kisses after your messages. You don't want to be coming across like that. You need to be coming across as somebody professional by still being warm, still being approachable. But if people are going to spend $1,000 plus to join me, they have to see me as being somebody professional. So when they reach out, I have to have that level of respect for them and their time, and I would hope they have the level of respect for mine. And when I'm asking the qualifying questions, I won't even send somebody my sign-up link if I don't want them actually part of my business. And that's a great position to be in, where you're not so desperate for commission that you'll just go to anybody. Here's my link, sign up. Because it's who do you actually want to work with. It's not just all about how much money can I make, it's about how can I improve my life daily so I wake up and I love what I do, which I genuinely do. When I go to bed at the night, I think, I've done good today. I'm proud of myself. And I do that 7 days a week by focusing on literally like a power hour a day on Facebook. I might come back in the evening and do another power hour, that's up to me. Some days I do, some days I don't. But in network marketing, I used to spend probably 10 hours a day on my phone. And yet I'm making more money in affiliate marketing because I find it easier to diagnose and provide solutions in this than what I do trying to get somebody to try a product. So just think about what avenue you want to go down, what type of personality you feel as though you're best suited to, and then go out there and practice daily on a minimum of 5 people. The more you do it, the better you will become. And then the better you become, the better you start to attract. And then once you've started to build up some momentum and you've started to get your results, then people automatically start to come to you because they want to work with you. But to start with, you have to drop the ego. You can't just put a post up on Facebook and think people are just going to want to join you. If it was that easy, no one would even have a job. Everybody would be doing this. It's not easy. It's very, very rewarding, but it's a skill set that you have to have patience to master. But those that trust the process reap rewards, but it's a daily process of you reap what you sow. And you've just got to trust the process that your time will come as long as you are consistent. Thanks everybody for watching. I do appreciate it, and I look forward to reading the comments, and I will do another video in a couple of days. Thanks, bye.